Hello friends, welcome to Lalita Krishna Vlogs. Today I'm going to present you the Dinosaurus cake, which is basically a rainbow based dinosaurus cake which we have prepared for my son's third birthday party. So it is beautiful and delicious and well decorated with a dinosaurus theme. So I'll show you the process. Let's start. First you need to take all purpose flour 200 grams and sugar 200 grams and curdled milk, warm milk of 100 ml. Use lemon to make it curdle, so it will give beautiful buttercream kind of texture. Then you need to take the melted butter for 50 grams and also 6 egg yolks and 6 egg whites, both are separated. So start beating the egg whites. You really need to beat it till you get the soft and stiff peaks which has been shown in the video like this. After getting the peaks, you need to add the sugar to the egg whites mixture gradually. Don't add all at one time. So after adding the sugar, you need to add the egg yolks one at a time and start beating them. Once everything has been beaten, you need to add the flour and milk alternatively. Start with the flour, and after adding the flour, you need to mix them with this cut and fold method, only cut and fold method like it has been shown in the video. So once when you do like this, it will give the super moist cake. And after adding the curdled milk also, you have to cut and fold the batter. You have to repeat it. Then add the melted butter to the mixture and use the cut and fold method. Our batter is ready. Now what you have to do is you need to take 6-inch mold which is being shown like this and also preheat the oven for 20 minutes. Now divide the batter into 2 equal portions and add 1 portion a pink color, as it is a rainbow based cake, and mix it gently and everything. Use the cut and fold method and pour it into the mold which we have prepared it already. Next add golden yellow color to the another batch of the batter and do the same process and also pour them into the mold and bake them at 35 minutes for 180 degrees. And you need to prepare one more batch of batter and add green and blue colors because it is a rainbow based cake. Now here for the frosting, I'm using the Swiss meringue buttercream and adding a vanilla sauce essence into it. So our cakes are baked. Now apply sugar syrup to make them moist and apply the frosting on top of the cake. See, it is beautifully and sponge and well baked. You need to put one on top of the other and apply the buttercream like a crumb coating to make them really apply to the cakes. So see like this and take the excess of the cream using scraper and refrigerate the cakes for 20 minutes to set it down. And while it is setting down, you have to take the another batch of the cakes which we have baked, like the green and blue, and also apply on top of it the same buttercream which we have made it. So totally we are going to have 4 sets of cakes. As it is going to be a step cake, you need to cut down one set of cakes in a shape so that when you put it, it really appears as a step cake. And apply the batter like we did it in the last time and scrape down using the scraper. Take down the excess of the frosting and make it as a crumb coating and also refrigerate these cakes. Now what we have to do is apply green color to the buttercream. Because it is a rainbow cake, we are going to use the green color based buttercream. So as the cakes has been set, you can smoothly apply using the spatula, the scraper, the buttercream on top of the cakes. So see how smooth it is. Swiss meringue buttercream is really super silky and super soft. So you will definitely fall in love with this buttercream once you got to know the process. I'll be explaining you it in the next vlog. So apply the buttercream onto the top and remove the excess one, and also apply the same buttercream on the sides as well, and using the scraper smooth down the edges so that you will get a nice feel. You have to repeat the process for these 2 batches as well. Now what you have to do is you have to insert the paper straws. Because it is a step cake, we need some kind of support. So here I'm taking 4 straws. These are like paper straws, and you need to measure the length. They have to be equally in a distance, so that all the 4 corners are in equal distance, so that when you see, the cake will not have moved here and there, and it will be really sitting in the center. Whatever is being shown in the video, you can measure it like that and insert the straws. So once the straws has been inserted, what you have to do is you need to cut the extra length. When you want all the height, so you have to check the length and cut the extra straws length. Cut it like this. Once the straws has been cut, and place the cake on top of it, so your cake is set. Now what I did was, like, I have added a violet color to the same batter and adding the bush kind of structure. So it's like a cactus, the forest kind of Dinosaurus theme, and the flowers to the cactus using the pink color. You can add any color, because here is one of the idea which I'm going to present you. So you can add any kind of colors, and also a green color bushes. So it's all mixed with pink, violet and green color, and topped with whatever I decorated with pearls. So you can do anything. So this is one of the ideas which we have done. So see, it's beautiful, and on top of it I have added the sand. So really it is not the sand, I have added the biscuit powder. So it's beautifully looking like a sand only. So the Dinosaurus is really sitting on the sand, and here the eggs come. These are not really eggs, these are Ferrari Rocher chocolates. So Dinosaurus, eggs and M&M and sand is ready. So now finish off the cake with chocolate ganache. So I'll be making a video on chocolate ganache as well in my next vlog, but here you can make it very simple, and so just coat it with, it gives a kind of another feel, the whole forest kind of theme. So friends, this is how we made the Dinosaurus cake. I hope you enjoyed liking this video. So see you in my next video.